I'm Dr. Kit Prendergast and I'm a native bee scientist here at Curtin University. I did my PhD here and now I'm a research adjunct and I love studying the native bees in our biodiversity hotspot. My research has revealed that Corymbia calophylla, MARI, is a critical resource for our native bees in southwest Western Australia. It supports 81 different species of native bees, which is an incredible biodiversity, and it flowers at a time when there's little other foraging resources available. MARI is endemic to southwest Western Australia, so we need to protect the MARI trees from threats such as bushfires, such as logging and mining, and make sure that we keep these trees along streets, for example, in urban areas, because they're so important for our urban bees. Southwest Western Australia is a biodiversity hotspot, including for our native bees. We need to make sure that we preserve the foraging resources they rely on, such as MARI, so that these native bees can be protected in this amazing place.